now we can call the cops, and I can show them the video.
Call them!
Get out of my face.
You realize I almost ran you over?
A reckless moment in traffic nearly ended in disaster for this biker, but after both sides pulled over, the real drama was only getting started.
I don't know.
Get up here! Come on!
Get your car.
Instead of walking away, both sides stopped again just moments later, and this time, the confrontation got even more intense.
Great, now we can call the cops, and I can show them the video.
Call them!
Get out of my face.
You go ahead and call them.
Get out of my fucking
You
face.
touched me, you assaulted me, so you
get the away from me.
You assaulted me by touching me.
Have it on video.
Good, I don't give a
Back the
how fast you were going. I almost ran your ass over.
Yeah, because you're trying to hit me.
Stupid you drove in between the traffic.
Are you stupid?
Just because you think it's a law. You can do whatever you want.
Back up.
You can't.
This isn't gonna solve anything, okay? Calm down.
You cannot do whatever you want.
Calm down.
Good, you show how fast you were driving.
You're about to get fucking punched.
You go ahead, assault me.
Get the out of my face.
Go ahead, do it!
We're going to file charges. We're going to file charges.
Good!
Yeah.
I can't park.
That is assault.
Drop the hitch right here, boy.
I'm trying to park the
Drop it right there, boy.
No, absolutely not.
Do it!
This is where you park. Just
You have no need to go anywhere else. Stop it right here.
Don't you back into me.
Well, you need to get out of my way.
No.
You have no need to go anywhere.
Stop yelling.
If we're waiting for the police, you got nowhere to go.
What are they going to happen here? They're going to come here. You have video proof? No, you don't.
You have it right
of
there.
You hitting me.
I didn't hit you.
You almost hit me. Like 4 times.
I almost hit you.
Yes.
I didn't hit you.
Almost hit him.
I almost ran over.
Do you have video proof?
I want you
Do you have video proof?
almost hit
Do you have video proof? Then it doesn't matter.
You have it, and we'll get it off your camera.
This is my camera.
I think I could be considered a witness.
It doesn't matter. It's inadmissible in court. It's inadmissible in court without video proof.
I got video proof.
Where?
Don't worry about where.
Yeah, you don't. You're lying. You're full of shit.
Want to test mine, bet?
I'm telling you, you're full of shit.
It's right here.
Thank God.
Nope, you didn't.
Move it then.
Please help me. I am being screamed at by 4 people.
Step back in your vehicle, please.
Holy shit.
Eventually, police stepped in to calm the situation down, bringing the heated confrontation to an end. Nobody expected this confrontation to get so intense, until a knife was suddenly pulled during the chaos.
Dude, you're not getting on your butt, man. I don't know who you are. You're getting on your butt, I'll smack you out with the knife. We're not going to go. Alright now, go. Over, I'll smack it up here. I don't know who you are, bro. You're the one that's... Mark, you go to the state, this guy here I'm looking for. That's the one that sold the $57,000 off me. That's right. I don't give a fuck.
Pause it here.
Take your helmet and f*** off.
Pause it here.
Take your helmet and f*** off. I'm not going to hurt you.
Be a good girl. Come on. Bye. Have a great time.
This biker never expected the car to suddenly cut into his lane. 1 second later, he was on the ground, and the chaos had already begun.
What the hell? This is not your lane! That's the lane! This lane goes that way. This lane goes that way. You're in the wrong lane.
No, I'm not.
You were in the wrong f***ing lane.
Before this situation gets even more intense, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. What started as a tense moment at a red light quickly turned aggressive after the biker smashed the driver's mirror during the confrontation.